At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, in the morning, yeah, Member of Parliament for St. Catherine East Central, Orlando Terrelonge, has informed that a new mobile police station is now located in the community of Gregory Park. He made the disclosure during his contribution to the 2024-2025 State of the Constituency debate in the House of Representatives on Tuesday. My wisdom warriors, me I go show you the mobile police station with Terrelonge about. Me tell you something. So when you come to the PNP area, me have some people in my comment section, I talk about stop say PNP area, stop say labor. Me have to say PNP area, guys. Me have to say labor right area. Me have to be specific. Because if me not be specific, them are going to take me thing and turn it for them way. So me have to put it like that. You understand? I know what I'm doing. I realize I no found and follow me for a long time. Because if you know they follow me, you understand? A lot of time, if you no listen to me good, me always say Jamaica people. But when me talk about certain things, notice me be very specific. I have to. Like me I talk about Gregory Park right now. Me have to say PNP area because Gregory Park is PNP area. You understand? So me have to say PNP area. So you just try to understand. Yeah? Alright. My wisdom warriors now, yeah? So Terrelonge, or what they want to call him. Yeah? Him now bring all of them mobile police station there in a no labor right area, A pure PNP area, get it. Pure PNP area. Remember, say Gregory Park, a PNP area, Why them have to bring a mobile police station there? So why? Why? You see what me say? Andrew Holness gone down to Westmoreland, I build up one bag of big prison and police station down at Westmoreland. When Westmoreland have police station, Westmoreland have police station. Why you going to the area there building other police station while Westmoreland already have police station? And you have places like Gregory Park and Upper St. Mary when I have no police station. You see me I try showing you with them. Them a labor writer. Them no, me no know. Something wrong with them. You left and gone down at Westmoreland. Gone build up police station, When police station already there and nothing wrong with the station. Them, when you not supposed to have focus on areas when I have no police station. But yet, what you do? Terrelonge in a House of Parliament a hype up about how mobile police station is in Gregory Park. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this.
New police station in Gregory Park.
This serious bad. No, this is very serious. At first, we see this. Could the Rima, could the Timberley, Gregory Park go and get police station? This is very serious. What is this? Murder, Samantha! No.
My wisdom warriors, at this Terrelonge I about. Do you think this is fair? Gregory Park don't have no police station. Westmoreland have one bag of police station. Even in a one area, down at Westmoreland, them a put all two stations in a one area. While in a Gregory Park don't have a station. Do you think it is fair? Look on that where them a boast, where Terrelonge stand up in a parliament a boast about. Look on that. I saw them deal with the PNP people them. This is how them deal with them. Notice in a for them area, police station up and running, paint up, bill up. So why them do all these things to PNP area? Why them a do that? Don't you hear what the girl a say? The girl a say, why you couldn't somewhere else? Why you have to Gregory Park? She know what she a talk about. My wisdom warriors. Boy, me no know no different. When I realize there is two Jamaica, there is two Jamaica, and of them cause all of this because the split between PNP and JLP. And right now we're worse because one man will have 28 account cause problem right now upon news media. Yes, one man cause problem upon the media. Yeah, because the news media them now take side. They're taking side, my wisdom warriors. It is sad. It is really sad. The St. James mother accused of throwing her 5-month-old daughter from the roof of a 3-story building last year is to return to court on January 24, 2025. Who remember this incident? Because me talk about it. Who remember it? And just right remember. Shamaya Green, who is not fit to plead, was further remanded when she appeared in the St. James Circuit Court on Tuesday. Box cover, then say she's not fit. So if she not fit, that means there's something wrong with her. Something, she... Listen, my wisdom warriors, for your mother, I gotta take up her baby. For your mother, I gotta take up her baby. Take up her baby, she up on the 3rd floor. And she gotta take up her baby, you know. Where she push out, you know. And throw the baby downstairs, you know. Throw the baby outside. Throw the baby away. Something definitely wrong with her. She need help. Mighty God of Daniel. She need help, man. There's a lot of people going through it, you know. In Jamaica, you know. There's a lot of people going through it in Jamaica. It is really, really sad. But anyway, the St. James mother accused of killing her baby given January 2025 court date because them say she is not fit to plead. The Kingston East Police are probing the fatal shooting of a man along Greenvale Road on Monday. Killed was 57-year-old Richard Brooks, otherwise called E.T., a sound system operator of Bull Bay, St. Andrew. Reports are that about 12:25 p.m., Brooks was along the roadway in the vicinity of the Star of the East chill spot when he was attacked. So my wisdom warriors, there you go. Yesterday this happened, so I just bring it across early in the morning. The police have now charged the man who was arrested in relation to the missing 2 bags of money from a beryllium security vehicle. 52-year-old driver Aldin Nelson of Harbour View, Kingston 17 is charged with simple larceny. So my wisdom warriors, man charged over money bags that fell from beryllium vehicle. Me people, wanna tell me what I really think about this. I want to tell me phone views in the comment section. I not going to say much on it. Not even much. I not going to say nothing on it. I want your phone views in the comment section. Because I going to take it and splash it all over social media. And then in another video, I will talk about it. But before I want your phone views on this because something alright. You hear me? Something in a something. Prime Minister of Barbados, Mia Mottley, who has championed climate action, has asked US President-elect Donald Trump for a face-to-face meeting on climate change. The UK Guardian is reporting that Prime Minister Mottley is seeking common ground even as she will try to persuade Trump that climate action was in his own interest. Motley believes that only by personal meetings among world leaders can the massive changes needed on climate action be achieved. My wisdom warriors, mighty God of Daniel, you know, say Andrew Ones him always come out and talk about climate every day of him life. Every day. And you know, notice now appear you want to be. You know, you want Jamaica to be number 1 in the Caribbean, everything number one. That's why you see him come out and tell so much lie. You know notice? That's why he look good on front page, but on back page, on front page he look good enough because he come out and he talk this, you know, Jamaica is evolving and Jamaica is this and Jamaica is that, and then the foreign country then fall for it because they don't know the real truth, what is happening. In a Jamaica, them don't know. You understand, so? Me don't know how Andrew Wallace feel about this now, like how me or Motley want to reach out to Trump, if you have a conversation with Trump, but we are going to see how this are going to all work out, my wisdom warriors. We are going to see. My thing is now, I'm wondering if Trump are going to really make it in a White House. That you know, that me I wonder. Remember, you know, I wait until January, you know, me I wonder if Kamala are going to really give up. Even though Trump is the official winner. But one thing say I'm going to really step foot in a White House. Let's see. Wanna tell me what you think. Anyway, hear this. My wisdom warriors, it has come to my attention that the police may soon be pursuing a murder probe into the actions of two of their own following a shooting incident in East Kingston on November 10. The two policemen involved are from Kingston East Division. In the incident on Sunday, the police report that while on patrol, the two lawmen encountered three men along Windward Road. It's reported that during the encounter, gunfire was exchanged, resulting in the death of the three men. But the version of events has not been accepted by the police high command. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Policemen involved in fatal Windward Road shooting ordered detained. My wisdom warriors, when you hear me come out, and you hear me talk up things them about the police, you know nothing say nothing. You mustn't vex. You mustn't vex, my wisdom warriors, because enough innocent youth they are prison and enough innocent youth lose them life when they not have nothing to do with all of them something away I go on. May I tell you now? You understand me? And whole heap of people were living at the rural area. You don't know this. That's why you see the people them always come out and a protest. You know, always see the people them come out and a protest. It is a reason. It is a reason. You understand me? And remember, you know, Indicom express them concern, you know. Indicom is very, very concerned about all of these KILLING are going, you know, because them say apparently at the police them are the more KILLING. You understand me? When them check it, a whole heap of people the police them killing now, and every single one then say a shootout. Every single one. But me go follow up this my wisdom warriors and make you know what go on. Anyway, Minister of Local Government and Deputy Leader of the governing Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, Desmond Mackenzie, has expressed regret at the death of Councillor for the Olympic Gardens Division in St. Andrew, West Central, Christopher Townsend. My wisdom warriors, right now the JLP, they are mourning the sudden death of sitting councillor Christopher Townsend. But we're the Olympic Gardens. Now other day the girl come out and did a complain about Rona Olympic Gardens. Yeah man, well I think them either an accident did happen or some killing vibes going with some youth around there and them did a call for Andrew owners to come. I don't know if you don't remember my wisdom warriors. It happened just maybe 2 weeks ago. Yeah, but anyway, I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. Me just make you know what is going on the other side. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, I want to like and share out this video. I want to subscribe to my channel, guys. And if you're new to my channel, if it's the first time you're watching my channel, welcome. And don't forget to turn your post notification bell on. Also, I have another channel that I've just created, my people. I want to run go over there. No. Subscribe and get me to 5K. I think now I'm at 1,061. Yeah, so I just run go over there. I want to subscribe. No. Watch the video them, like them, share them. Alright? And press the post notification bell. So when we drop the video, you get them straight away. Also, you can follow me on TikTok, you know. Appear things are going over there, you know. Appear bangarang a drop on TikTok. Appear bangarang a drop on X. The link I go there in the comment section. Also, if you want to join the WhatsApp group, all you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.
Me I practice my ex. Because I want to make sure say my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them labor right there for gone, you know. Them to one caring man. Make sure say my mark the ex right there so. Because I don't want the ballot spoil. See that ex, yeah? For the teacher them want to get them pay. You see that ex, yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench because they never have no bed. You see, that extra. After the police them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah man, see all that extra. After the big salary what the politician them give themselves and I can't get little salary to the people them. That extra right now, yeah. For the nurse them. The nurse them. If you are working long hours and can't get no pay, if you go a foreign to try to survive. You see, oh man, that extra, this is because that time they take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that extra? And the arrogance and the dictatorship where them try to run the country under. You see, I want to right there, so I feel all of the disrespect what they want to come give Jamaican. I make sure I say me mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.